What's up, you guys? It's Scotty again with another helpful tip for you. Today we're going to be going over how to fold your suit coat the proper way. This is going to be especially useful if you travel with your suit for business or if you're going to a wedding or something. Again, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, like it, share it with your friend. You know the drill. Alright, let's get started. Grab your suit coat. This is actually my wedding suit coat that I used on my wedding day. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it inside out and pop your shoulder out just like this. Do the same thing with the other side. What this is going to do, it's going to keep your sleeves nice, inside protected, and everything inside is going to be more protected. You know, for this, I like to pop out my collar also. I think it just preserves the shape a little bit because it's going to fold right back in place when you put it right side out. So once you have it like this, fold it hot dog style, and then fold it hamburger style, just like so. There you have it. That's gonna be chill for anything you put it in. Here's a little suitcase I'm gonna shove it in just to show you it really does work. So I have traveled with this suit before many times and it's still in pristine condition. But yeah, shoving it in my little Ozark carry-on. There you have it. Alright, now let's take it out and see what it looks like. There you go. When you unfold it, pops right back into shape. Perfect for wearing and wrinkle free, baby. Just how we like it. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much.